or closest to my vertices. Okay, so I have written them down here. Okay, now you must also read the information that they say you must use for minimum and maximum values. The profit of a jacket is 300 and on a suit is 1000. So first write that as an expression, which simply comes down to 300x plus 1000y. Okay, 300x plus 1000y. That is the profit on my jacket and my suit. This is given by this expression. Okay, and then as we did it with the previous example, you take all your coordinates on the vertices, you substitute the x and the y, you substitute the x and the y in each, and you calculate your answer. And if we look at this, your maximum profit will be made at 4,700. So which is the coordinate that represents the maximum profit? It in fact is the 9, 2 coordinate. Okay, I repeat, what are the steps to do in word problems? Step number 1 is to firstly write down your inequalities. Okay, and you have to simply understand the language and use your inequality signs correctly. Be careful there. Okay, then in step 2, you work out coordinates for each of the inequalities and you plot your coordinates on a Cartesian plane. In step 3, you always shade the unwanted region. With that, you will actually find the feasible region, which is the unshaded region. Okay? Then very often, not in most cases, in always, they will give you an expression that you will have to write for your profit. Okay? In this case, it's 300x plus 1000y. You will choose your vertices or the points closest to vertex. Okay, write them down. You will substitute them to find your maximum or minimum depending on what is being asked. And then for your maximum in this case, you know that your coordinate 9, 2 will actually represent the greatest possible value. So that simply means, people, that you must make 9 jackets and 2 suits to actually get the greatest possible, in 1 week, to get the greatest possible profit.